so much fun. We have this book, and when we get together as a family, we like to check it out. And so we have spent hours laughing at some of the options in here. So it's got outrageous would you rather questions, such as, would you rather eat 3 earthworms or wear a necklace made of them on your wedding day? And so they've just got silly, outrageous questions, but my family has spent hours laughing, thinking of the different options and trying to make a decision on the yuck or even yuckier. What would be the worst way to decide? We've taken it on vacation with us just to spend time laughing together. Recently, we went on a road trip, and the very first question I got asked was, hey, do you have that book? And I, of course, said I did. And this was a way to kill some time just being on the road when it gets mundane and everyone's, instead of saying, are we there yet? It was time to pull out the book and play Would You Rather. Overall, this has brought hours of fun, and I love the fact that the family gets together, everyone enjoys playing it, and we have a good time. So I hope you found the review helpful.